Mr. Jack Wolf Gaming, and we're printing a Freddy Fazbear on the S1 Plus. Are you ready?
So as you guys can see, I think it's an hour and 24 minutes. I think the printer is heating up.
Not yet, but okay.
Okay,
Are you ready to print right now?
yes, printing.
Alright, let's spam the button. And, Alright, let's go, it's heating! Yeah! One more degree. Oh, it's moving! We're moving! We're getting extrusion!
Oh look, is it testing out the...
No. It's printing. It's gonna start printing right now. And yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Guys, Freddy's in his deathbed.
Ready? It's mine. Watch me. Wait, remove it. Let's see if it stands.
It's on his deathbed.
Oh, it's on support right now. And that's the final bit of support. We're done. And it doesn't stand. So, Kyle, how'd you like your Freddy?
It was so cute.
And remember, if you subscribe to Kakapo Industries, you might be a lucky winner of one of these little guys. So, yeah, subscribe. Or else you will get... Yeah, that will 100% happen to you if you don't subscribe. Right, Kyle?
Yes.
This little Freddy will come and haunt you.
Bye.